ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। 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 ॐ ऋतगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः। ॐ नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात्। हरि ओम सुप्रभातम। In the past 2-3 days, many people have asked for the PDF files. The PDF files have been sent to all those who are registered in our WhatsApp bank. So many of you who have joined recently for this Vishnu Sahasranamam, you have not got because your number has not been registered. Alright. So what I suggest is, please note this number and please note very carefully. I'm sure you have started trying to write down. You can write down later, anyway it will be there in the video. But please listen to me very carefully. This number is only for WhatsApp messages, and probably once or twice if you send that, if required any questions you may send. Otherwise, once you may send the message with your name, and please note, kindly add this number. Then one more sentence if required, that is, if you need the PDF file, please add that, kindly send us the PDF files. This much you send. And after that, you will not send any messages to this WhatsApp. This is only one-way traffic for us to send you information and for us to send you such text messages, texts, for example. This is not for conversation. Therefore, please do not venture into sending any unwanted, irrelevant messages. Then, no Hari Om, Suprabhatam, good morning, nothing. No messages unnecessarily. As I said, this is only for us to send you the message. Now, like the PDF files, we will send you the PDF files. Right? And if you call, they will not lift the phone. Some disciplines we are maintaining. For the person who is handling, he is also is employed somewhere, and they will be unnecessarily disturbed by messages, unwanted and irrelevant messages. All right. And for your kind information, Swamiji does not use the mobile. Therefore, this mobile is with our communication coordinator, Sri Srinidhi Sharma. He is the one who handles. And he is employed somewhere, therefore he should not be unnecessarily disturbed. Only for important purposes, please use this number. Alright. I have also given one slide which gives the details of our ashram address, landline number, email ID, we have our website. All these you may use. Alright. In my case, if you are calling landline, please call between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Not after 9 p.m., not before 9 a.m. And on Fridays, I am on Mauna. Therefore, I will not be lifting the phone. These informations please have with yourself, and then accordingly, you are welcome to call us, you are welcome to message us only when there is a necessity with reference to learning. Please maintain this. Thank you very much. Those who have not got the PDF, please message that WhatsApp number and it will be sent to you. We will now resume the class. Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. We will chant from here till the Purvanyasaha and then we will continue learning. Yatah sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame yasminscha pralayam yanti punareva yugakshaye tasya loka pradhanasya jagannathasya bhupate Vishnor nama sahasram me shrinu papa bhayapaham yani namani gaunani vikhyatani mahatmanah rishibhif parigitani tani vakshyami bhutaye Rishirnamnam sahasrasya vedavyaso mahamunihi Chando nushtup tatha devo bhagavan devaki sutah amritam shudbhavo bijam shaktir devaki nandanah trisama hridayam tasya shantyarthe viniyujyate Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Aneka Rupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam Asya Shri Vishnor Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya Shri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Shri Mahavishnuh Paramatma Shrimannarayano Devata Amritam Shudbhavo Bhanuriti Bijam Devaki Nandana Srashteti Shaktihi Udbhavah Kshobano Deva iti paramo mantraha Shankhabrannandaki Chakriti Kilakam Sharngadhanva Gadadhara Ityastram Rathangapani Rakshobhya iti netram Trisama Samagas Sameti Kavacham Anandam Parabrahmeti Yonihi Ritus Sudarshanah Kala iti param iti Digdeva Ritus Sudarshanah Kala iti Digbandha श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानं श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनाम जपे विनियोगः। ध्यानं क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लृप्तसनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्ख पाणिर्मुकुन्दः। We have to start from here. So, we will continue. भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर् भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर् भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर् वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्र 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 सूर्यौ च नेत्रे सूर्यौ च नेत्रे सूर्यौ च नेत्रे भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्र सूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाशिरोद्यौर् 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 मुखमपि दहनो मुखमपि दहनो मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः कर्णावाशाशिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्र सूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाशिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वम् अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वम् अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वम् सुरनरखगो भोगी सुरनरखगो भोगी सुरनरखगो भोगी गन्धर्वदैत्यैः 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 सुरनरखगो भोगी गन्धर्वदैत्यैः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगी गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रं रम्यते तं चित्रं रं रम्यते तं चित्रं रं रम्यते तं रिमेम्बर् चित्रं रं रम्यते all right चित्रं रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं 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 विष्णुमीशं नमामि विष्णुमीशं नमामि विष्णुमीशं नमामि चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि. This is the first part of the shloka, and the next one is the second part of the shloka. It is one single shloka. Now we will chant the whole shloka. Bhūf padau yasya nabhirviyadasuranilashchandra suryau cha netre कर्णावाशाशिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं. Here some of the versions have got yogibhirdhyanagamyam. Both are correct, but normally this is chanted. Yogibhihi dhyanagamyam becomes yogibhirdhyanagamyam. Here yogi hriddhyanagamyam. Both makes the same meaning. So we will follow this version. Yogi hriddhyanagamyam. Yogi hriddhyanagamyam. Yogi hriddhyanagamyam. Lakshmikantam kamalanayanam yogi hriddhyanagamyam. Vande Vishnum bhavabhayaharam. Vande Vishnum bhavabhayaharam. Vande Vishnum bhavabhayaharam. Sarvalokaikanaatham. सर्वलोकैकनाथं सर्वलोकैकनाथं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं. Now we will chant the whole shloka. One small note here. Generally in the English language, the ra is not pronounced as ra. Some accent, the foreign accent comes there. Sarvalokaikanaatam, like that the accent may come. Wherever ra comes, that English accent out of habit would come. It would be nice if you can take care and make it Sarvalokaikanaatam instead of Sarvalokaikanaatam. And this ra, all wherever in the stotram, wherever ra comes, try to pronounce it in our Indian way as far as the shloka is concerned. Otherwise, you may use the way the English is spoken. But here in Sanskrita, please try to use Sarvalokaikanaatam, Sarvalokaikanaatam. Please avoid that. Just a matter of note. We will chant the whole shloka. Shantakaram bhujagashyanam padmanabham suresham Vishwadharam gaganasadrisham meghavarnam shubhangam Lakshmikantam kamalanayanam yogihridhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham Meghashyamam Pitakauseyavasam Meghashyamam Pitakauseyavasam Meghashyamam Pitakauseyavasam Shrivatsankam 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 Kaustubhodbhasitangam 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 Meghashyamam Pitakauseyavasam Shrivatsankam Kaustubhodbhasitangam Punyopetam Pundarikayataaksham Punyopetam Pundarikayataaksham Punyopetam Pundarikayataaksham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanaatham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanaatham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanaatham Punyopetam Pundarikayataaksham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanaatham Meghashyamam Pitakauseyavasam Shrivatsankam Kaustubhodbhasitangam Punyopetam Pundarikayataaksham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanaatham Namassamasta Bhutanam Namassamasta Bhutanam Namassamasta समस्तभूतानाम् आदिभूताय भूभृते आदिभूताय भूभृते आदिभूताय भूभृते. Here please remember Bhutanam Adibhutaya. When you chant together Bhutanam Adibhutaya when it is joined together. So please be careful. Listen carefully. Namah samasta bhutanam adibhutaya bhubhrite. Namah samasta bhutanam adibhutaya bhubhrite. Aneka rupa rupaya Aneka rupa rupaya Aneka rupa rupaya Vishnave prabha Vishnave Vishnave prabha Vishnave Vishnave prabha Vishnave Aneka rupa rupaya Vishnave prabha Vishnave. Namah samasta bhutanam adibhutaya bhubhrite. Aneka rupa rupaya Vishnave prabha Vishnave. This has got a little tongue twisters. So carefully please chant. Shashankha chakram Shashankha chakram Sashankha chakram Sakirita kundalam Sakirita kundalam Sakirita kundalam Sashankha chakram Sakirita kundalam Sapita vastram sarasiruhekshanam Sapita vastram sarasiruhekshanam Sapita vastram sarasiruhekshanam Sashankha chakram sakirita kundalam Sapita vastram sarasiruhekshanam Saharavakshasthala 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 Shobhikaustubham 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 Saharavakshasthala Shobhikaustubham Saharavakshasthala Shobhikaustubham Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam Saharavakshasthala Shobhikaustubham Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam Sashankha chakram sakirita kundalam Sapita vastram sarasiruhekshanam Saharavakshasthala shobhikaustubham Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam. A little meters change here and there only in Dhyana Shloka, so you need to be a little careful. Chhayayam parijatasya छायायां पारिजातस्य छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि हेमसिंहासनोपरि हेमसिंहासनोपरि. During my introduction, this one point I had not told. I will make a mention here. In the regional language influences, one of them comes here. Especially in the north, it is very prominent. In the south, mostly in the Tamil Nadu side, this type of chanting is there. Like for example, Hema Simhasanopari is the word. Very many people chant Hema Simhasanopari. That may be avoided because it is a regional language influence. Here it has to be chanted as Hema Simhasanopari. That ma has to be very clearly pronounced. Please keep this in mind. Hema Simhasanopari. Again we will chant. Chayayam parijatasya hema simhasanopari asinamambudashyama. This is a one single compound, so therefore you have to take care. Asinamambudashyama mayatakshamalankritam. That is how it has to be chanted in one breath. Asinamambudashyama mayatakshamalankritam. Asinamambudashyama mayatakshamalankritam. Chayayam parijatasya hema simhasanopari asinamambudashyama mayatakshamalankritam. The first word is chayayam. It should not be made as chayayam. Alright. Alpa prana should not be chanted there. Please take a little care. Chayayam parijatasya hema simhasanopari asinamambudashyama mayatakshamalankritam. Chandrananam chaturbahum. Chandrananam chaturbahum. Chandrananam chaturbahum. Shrivatsankitavakshasam. 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 Chandrananam chaturbahum. Shrivatsankitavakshasam. Rukmini satyabhamabhyam. Rukmini satyabhamabhyam. Rukmini satyabhamabhyam. Sahitam krishnamashraye. Sahitam krishnamashraye. Sahitam krishnamashraye. Rukmini satyabhamabhyam. Sahitam krishnamashraye. Chandrananam chaturbahum. Shrivatsankitavakshasam. Rukmini satyabhamabhyam. सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये. With that, the dhyana shloka gets completed. And then the Sahasranama starts. So, we will do one thing. We will chant the complete dhyana shloka and close it for today. And start Vishnu Sahasranamam tomorrow. We will start from Shuklambaradhanam Vishnu. Full dhyana shloka once. All right. Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Yasya Dvirada Vaktradyah Parishadhyah Parashatam Vignam Nignanti Satatam Vishwaksenam Tamashraye Narayanam Namaskritya Naran Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakteh Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponidhim Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye Vasisthaya Namo Namaha Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaika Rupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave Yasya Smarana Matrena Janma Sansara Bandhanat Vimuchyate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabhavishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabhavishnave Satchidananda Rupaya Krishnaya Klishtakarine Namo Vedanta Vedyaya Gurave Buddhi Sakshine Krishna Dvaipayanam Vyasam Sarvalokahite Ratam Vedabja Bhaskaram Vande Shamadinilayam Munim Sahasramurteh Purushottamasya Sahasranetranana Padabhaho Sahasranamnam Stavanam Prashastam Niruchyate Janma Jaradi Shantyai Vaishampayana Uvacha Shrutva Dharmana Sheshena Pavanani Cha Sarvashah Yudhishthira Shantanavam Punarevabhyabhashata Yudhishthira Uvacha Kimekam Daivatam Loke Kim Vapyekam Parayanam Stuvantah Kam Kamarchantah Prapnuyurmanavashubham Ko dharma sarva dharmanam bhavatah paramo matah Kim japan muchyate jantur janma samsara bandhanat Shri Bhishma uvacha Jagat Prabhum Deva Deva Manantam Purushottamam Stuvan Nama Sahasrena Purushas Satatothitah तमेव चार्चयन्नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् ध्यायन् स्तुवन्नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत् ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनं लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम् एष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा परमं यो महत्तेजः परमं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महद्ब्रह्म परमं यः परायणम् पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नामसहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम् यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दो नष्टुप् तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः अमृतांशूद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः त्रिसामाहृदयं तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम् अस्य श्रीविष्णोर्दिव्यसहस्रनामस्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य श्रीवेदव्यासो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः श्रीमहाविष्णुः परमात्मा श्रीमन्नारायणो देवता अमृतांशूद्भवो भानुरिति बीजं देवकीनन्दनस्रष्टेति शक्तिः उद्भवः क्षोभणो देव इति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी चक्रीति कीलकं शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधर इत्यस्त्रं रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्य इति नेत्रं त्रिसामासामगः सामेति कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः ऋतुः सुदर्शनः काल इति दिग्बन्धः श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानं श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनामजपे विनियोगः ध्यानं क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लृप्ता सनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदाशङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्तं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गं पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथं नमः समस्तभूतानामादिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलक्षोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजं छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्याममायताक्षमलङ्कृतं चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये। Remember, the WhatsApp number and the address has been given to you. Kindly make a note separately every time. You don't have to open this and search. Therefore, once you open, make a note properly and keep it, and it will help you. Thank you. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.